Hey everyone, this is Schierling, and I wanted to do another update on this amazing affiliate program where we earn $200, $400, and $800 commissions. And I wanted to give you an update because Friday I received another sale that the call center closed for me. So I'm talking about Digital Wealth Pros. So I wanted to, like I said, give you an update on this program. These commissions are amazing to get. So this program is actually one of my side gigs that I call it. I have multiple streams of income that I work online, and I added Digital Wealth Pros to my plate back in February of this year, 2022, and I absolutely love it. So it is a super easy program. All we do is just run traffic to our capture page, and the system supplies you with all the capture pages, with your landing page, with training, with amazing products, everything you need. It's basically a business in a box ready to go. All you need to do is decide what level you want to get it started at and what level you want to start earning money at. So do you want to start at the $200 level and earn $200 commissions? Do you want to start at the $400 level and earn $400 and $200 commissions? Or do you want to go all in like 98% of us do and come in at the $800 level and be qualified to earn $800, $400, and $200 commissions? That way you're leaving nothing, you're not leaving any money on the table. You're able to earn these commissions as the call center closes the sales for you. So let me take you over to my Facebook page, and I wanted to share another sale that the call center closed for me on Friday. And I just now got around to doing the video. I was just busy with this program and with some of my other programs that I realized I hadn't done an update. So let's go over to my Facebook page and let me share with you the sale that came in on Friday. So here we are on my Facebook page, and right here, so July 1st, the call center actually closed another $400 sale for me. So let me just go ahead and click on the picture here. So yeah, $400 sale. Actually, as the post says, I was actually drinking my morning coffee, right? I was enjoying my morning coffee because, as you can see, the call center closed a sale for me at 6:13 in the morning. So you could be running traffic to your capture pages and be going about your day, whether you work a full-time job, whether you're doing other opportunities, whether you're out, with the kids or with the family, whatever you're doing, just run traffic to your capture page, and we will show exactly how to do that. And I have some really good traffic sources that I will share with you. And so as you're doing that, you could be in bed sleeping even, and you will get an email notification letting you know someone has a new sign up, and they will let you know if it is a $400 sale, a $200 sale, or $800 sale. So this particular one was a $400 sale, which is really awesome. I have earned multiple commissions with this company, and in fact I'm on the leaderboard. I'm number 7 on the leaderboard with the company. And here's just a quick snippet of just a handful of the sales that have come in for me since I joined in February. And again, this is a side gig that I do very part-time, and it makes it really a very simple program to do if you're already involved in another program, but you want those extra 100% commissions coming in. This program will fit beautifully. Also, if you work a full-time job, you don't have a lot of time to devote to a home business, this is a great program because it's basically set up ready to go, and all you do, again, is just get eyeballs to your capture page. We show you how to do that, and the call center actually calls your leads back and answers their questions and closes the sales for you, and you get paid. And the cool thing is you get paid directly to your Venmo, your Cash App, your PayPal, Zelle, Stripe, if you want to receive a cashier's check and money order. However you want to get paid, you set that up in your back office, and you receive the money that way directly to you, 100% commission. The company doesn't take any of that commission out. It's yours. So very exciting. So I've done many videos already on Digital Wealth Pros, and you can kind of check them out if you head over to YouTube and just type in Digital Wealth Pros and Schierling. You'll see quite a few videos that I've done here on Digital Wealth Pros. I've done quite a few that explain the program, that share some income proof, and also I did some Q&A to answer some questions. And so head over there and check those out if you want to learn a little bit more about Digital Wealth Pros. But in a nutshell, let me just share with you. So when you join, you're going to get a back office that looks like this. All your capture pages are going to be here, as well as your landing page. And so all you do is just log in, and you click on the Getting Started tab and quickly go through these very, very short videos that will walk you through how to set up your back office. You'll be up and running in less than a half hour. These videos are very short. And then you're just going to head over to your dashboard here. And here's where you're going to select your capture pages. Do you want to use capture page number 1, 2, 3, or 4? You can mix and match. You can use all of them. And they all go to a really nice 7-minute video that explains the whole program for you. So you don't have to do any of the telling and selling or explaining. So here's a quick sample of what the capture pages look like. So here's one of them. Here's one of the capture pages, and here is another one. Everybody loves this one. The beach is so inviting. And here we have another one. And then capture page number 4 is here. Now all of these, when your prospects go to your capture page and they opt in with their name and their email address, they're going to land on this. This is your landing page. This is your website. You're going to have a custom website just like this, customized with your picture, your ID number, so that when the call center closes the sale for you, the sale is going to be linked to you, because the prospect is going to give the call center your ID number. You're going to get the credit for the sale. So this is the website that your prospects will land on, and the short 7-minute video begins to play right here. And then after they watch the 7-minute video, they'll just click on Show Me More. It's going to take them to the remainder of the page, which describes in a little more detail, kind of follows up on what the video explained, how you earn these $200, $400, and $800 commissions. And you can earn these multiple times a day or a week. It just depends how much traffic you get to your capture page, how many people you invite to come look at your capture page and view that 7-minute video. And it's very simple to do. And again, we show you how to do that. So this is just the information that your prospects will go through and just read, kind of goes over what they saw in the video. Once they see all this, they like what they heard, they like what they read. They're going to see this is your sponsor, your picture is going to be here. It's going to be customized with your photo. It's going to be customized with your ID number and your name and your email address. And then they're going to say, gosh, I love this program. I want to get started. I want to start earning these $200, $400, and $800 commissions. They're going to click right here on Call Our Support Team, and they're going to call this 800 number. They're going to leave their name, they're going to leave their phone number, and they're going to leave your caller ID number. And the call center is going to call them back, answer their questions, and they're going to say who referred you to this website. They're going to give your ID number, and the call center is going to close the sale for you. And it's going to generate an email to you, and it's going to look like this. It's going to come from Digital Wealth Pros. It's going to be addressed to you saying, hey, someone has a new team member sign up, and it's going to let you know who signed up and what level they signed up at, and then let you know you're going to get paid. And all of that is going to be shown in your back office dashboard. So all your members will be listed here in the back office. I'm not going to click on that because all my members are listed back there with their personal information. I don't want to show that. But all your members are going to be shown back here, okay? And and you will have earned a 100% commission depending what level they came in at. So this is a super easy program. All right, really amazing program. Basically set up, ready to go. Now, I did mention that everything is going to be provided to you in your back office, right? So again, here's all your capture pages and your landing page, and here is all your products. All right, so when you join, you're going to have access to all these products, and these are products that teach you how to market online and how to become a better marketer, whether you're promoting this business or another business. So again, if you join at the bronze $200 level, you're going to get access to these products. If you join at the $400 gold level, you're going to get these products plus the $200 bronze products. And if you come in at the platinum $800 level, you're going to get all these products, as well as the gold $400 level, as well as the bronze $200 level. So it's to your advantage to come in at the highest level you possibly can. Like I mentioned, most people do start at the $800 platinum level, although you can upgrade at any time. But most people do start at the $800 level to take advantage of earning the most commission, because like I said, most people do start at the $800 level. So when you have a prospect that goes to your capture page and watches the video, calls the call center, gets their questions answered, and decides, yeah, I want to join, they're probably going to join the $800 platinum level. And if you're not at that level, you will get paid on the level that you are at. Like if you're at the $400 level, you'll get your $400 commission, but the other $400 is going to bypass you and go to the person above you who is at that $800 level. So they're going to get that remaining $400. So that is kind of exciting in itself, because there are roll-up commissions. If you're at the highest level, you have team members below you that start lower, but they have people that join them at a higher level. They'll get paid at the level they're at, but the remaining amount's going to roll up to you. So try to position yourself at the highest level possible at the platinum level. That just makes the most sense to come in as high as possible. So this is the system, you guys. It is awesome. Like I said, I've been in it since February. I'm on the leaderboard. I've made a ton of money with it. I'm so excited about it. And I simply just run traffic to my capture page. All right, I'll be sharing with you some of my traffic providers, in addition to the ones that you'll get when you join, because in your back office, you're going to have access to member resources. All right, so back here is where you're going to have access to solo ad providers, as well as web traffic providers, so that you can select who you want to use to run traffic to your capture pages. These are awesome providers. I also have some that I use in addition to these, and I'll be sharing those with you when you join with me. The other thing I want to mention to you, when you join me at the 800 platinum level, I will be throwing in a bonus for you. I will be purchasing your very first solo ad traffic order for you, free of charge, to help you get off to a fast start. So that is a little incentive to help you to get started at the highest level possible, so you will start earning at the highest level those $800 commissions, not leave any money on the table. So that will be my bonus to you, and get you off to a fast start. So there you have it, you guys. Super easy program, capture pages provided for you, back office and website provided for you, everything ready to go, with a custom landing page with your photo, your ID number, and this program is working great. You know, it's working for seasoned professionals, but also for people that are new to this online affiliate space too. So we've got a lot of members here that are brand new to affiliate marketing, and they're just following the blueprint. They're just, you know, running traffic to their capture pages. They're sharing it on social media. They're doing YouTube videos. They're sending out postcards. However you choose. We even have training on doing $5 Craigslist ads. I'll be sharing that with you. Multiple ways of getting the word out and sharing your capture page, so that people will watch this 7-minute video and be intrigued, and they'll call the 800 number and speak with a sales professional and get their questions answered. And the call center is so good at closing sales. They close almost every single sale that comes through, every single prospect they call back. All right, so they are excellent. They are wonderful at closing sales. The other thing I wanted to mention to you, like I said, you do have access to these 4 capture pages and autoresponder. There are other options if you choose to use other capture page systems. I do have a couple that I use, that I'm testing, that I'm sharing with my team. This is one that I also use, a very simple program that has 2 different capture pages to choose from. This is one of them, and autoresponder messages that get sent out to your leads. And then I also have another system that I'll be sharing with you, and I also have a capture page that I put together on Aweber. So if you have Aweber, you can actually create your own capture pages, and I can show you how to do that as well. But the capture pages that come with the system work great. They're ready to go. But if you want to kind of, bump up your game a little bit, I'll share these different capture pages that you can order and get, a few more tweaks and bells and whistles. So anyways, I just wanted to share my recent sale with you that came in on Friday. Love this program, love the call center. They're really good at answering questions. They're very knowledgeable. They're not high pressure at all. So I would encourage you, now that you've seen how the system works, I would encourage you to go ahead and go to my capture page right now. The link is below this video here on YouTube. Click on that link. Watch the 7-minute video. It's going to take you here. Watch this 7-minute video. Get your questions answered by calling the 800 number here at the bottom of the page, and you're going to give them my ID number, 71729067. They will answer all your questions and help you get started if you see that this is a fit for you. And once you join, I will be reaching out to you and sending you a welcome letter with some other resources and helping you get started and welcoming you to the team. Just to mention that a moment ago I mentioned that this program works for everybody, whether you're a seasoned professional or you're a newbie. I was just talking to one of my team members last week, and he had told me that he has signed up, he just joined not too long ago. He's already got 8 people joined underneath him. Most of them came in at the $800 level, and he is just knocking it out of the park. And I don't even see him posting on social media. So he's just doing solo ad traffic and other paid traffic offline. So if you're not a social media person, you don't want to be on Facebook or TikTok or any of those, you can make this program work very, very well just by doing offline marketing, and the program will show you exactly how to do that, and I'm here to help you too. So go ahead and click the link down below. Go to my website, watch that video, get your questions answered, and hop on board with me. Join at the $800 platinum level, and I'll be sending you your first order of paid traffic to get you off to a fast start. So go ahead, watch that now, and be sure to click the subscribe button below my video here so that you'll be notified when more videos come out on this program and other programs that I am promoting, as well as some marketing tips and tricks to help you on your online venture. So I will see you on the inside. Any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is right here on my website. You can reach out to me, and I will be happy to answer any questions for you as well. So I am welcoming you in advance, and I look forward to working with you. Have a fantastic day.